Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix eyebrows that are too fall apart. First of all, I just start brushing my eyebrows because I think that it's important to have them prepared. For step 1, you just have to hold a pencil against your right nostril and point it straight up. The point where your brow intersects with the pencil is where your brow should start. If you discover that your brow and pencil do not intersect but instead your brow starts further towards the right, it could mean that you have a large gap between your eyebrows. So using your brow pencil, mark the start point of the brow you want to fix. I will use a white pencil just because I prefer to. I take an eyebrow pencil with a color as similar as possible to my natural hair and I start to connect the points. The better thing you should do is from the top of your natural brow, draw a line to connect to the top of the line you drew in the step 2. And then from the bottom of your natural brow, draw a line to connect to the bottom of the line you drew it in step 2. At this point, for the last step, you just have to color the eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil and a mascara. I wanted also to say that I don't have a large gap between my eyebrows, so my eyebrows are not too far. So you will surely have better results and more visible than me. For the mascara, I use this by Benefit. Also, if you prefer messy eyebrows, you don't have to use an eyebrow pencil, but you can just use mascara or an eyebrow soap. This is the before and this is the after.